I always knew, you know, lore that's handed down the family. I always had heard two things. One, that there was a famous violinist in our family, and the other, that there was a writer, and that they had both lived in Russia. Turns out the violinist is my cousin Semyon, and the writer I knew had died. And I had a book, I think, with some of his writing, which I may have donated here a couple of years ago. But then when I saw that you had the archives, the Spielberg archives of all the writers, I downloaded a whole bunch of his work. And I've translated one of his short stories into English and sent it out to everybody in the family. And my goal is to translate more of them, but it's not easy work. And so I've been, you know, and other things have come up. I'm also trying to write my memoirs and stuff like that. So it's on my list of all the things that I'm going to do. But he's a wonderful writer. He died. He fought in with the Russian army. He died in the war communist, and he lived in Moscow. He fought, and he was killed by the Nazis in 1941. I don't know whether he was killed or starved or what, but he died then. But he was a wonderful writer, just the most beautifully poetic writer, and it's a thrill to read his stuff, and I try to keep the sense of it as I translate, which is not easy to do.